So this is going to be a little bit different of a video than I normally put out. Normally I'm doing a video about drawing or a vlog on some new artwork that I've got going on, or a review of some pens or paintbrushes or something like that. But this video right here, this video is different. I wanted to make this video because it's almost the end of the year. Might not have a video on Monday, don't know yet. And if this is the last video before the end of the year, the decade, I just want to say thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for coming to this crazy channel. Thank you for following me and my adventures. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for purchasing my books. Thank you. Thank you guys for purchasing my art. Thank you. Thank you for coming to all the conventions, or if you could see me out at a show or event, saying hi to me and saying, hey, I saw you on YouTube. Thanks. Thank you a lot. It means a lot to me. Came a long way since 2016, I'll say that much. And it's been one incredible ride, one that I'm happy that I took. And just wanted to say thank you to everybody. I want to say thanks to my moms for believing in me, even when I know you don't understand this at all. Thanks to my brother and sister for always supporting me. Thank you to all of my friends and family. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you to all of my co-workers that I've had in the past, present, future. Thank you. Just thank you. So this is not going to be a long video, so I'm not tripping any algorithms or anything like that. This is just a quick video, some reflecting that I've done, and just wanted to say thanks, guys. So for me to you guys, I don't even know if I don't think I did that right. So for me to you, thank you guys. No big grandiose announcements or anything like that. I just see you guys in 2020, and yeah, we'll be back on our creative journey. That's all. I ain't even giving the usual. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'ma holler at y'all later. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Peace.
Woo!